Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how you make an app where you find out your age in hours. So first you have this on event where you'll get the button one, which is your ID for this one. Yeah, button one. So when you get the button one, you click. That means when you click it, set text to label 13, which means um, set text to label 13. You get the set. This code is where you set the you it gives the text. It gives the text to here, but then you get the text from the one that you type down, which is your age in years, and then you times 365, and then you get the answer in times 24. So that's how you do it. But first, let's see whether it works. So let's say your age is 41. My father is 41. So calculate. It is a lot, but it's probably correct. So as I said, this is a very simple code. All you need to do is go to design. So you just do all of this, but actually all of this is just the same. The only thing that you need to change is the text. Here, nothing much. Yeah, here you only have to change the text to calculate, and then for this one you have to just type the text, and then for this one so the option thing is that you can choose anything. Bubblegum, which is here for girls, or maybe robot, anything. But I chose the polar. Yeah, I think this is best. So you press run, you select your age. Let's just do something easy, like 1, calculate. Good. What if I put 1 plus 1? Will it work? Doesn't. And why it doesn't work is because only asked it to get the number. And if you want to do plus, you have to put a lot of additional code. First, let me tell you how you get the codes. So you get the odd event from here. You simply change it to button 1 and to click, and then you get the set text. You put label 13, and then you go here, the orange
Not label 13, it's green one. Just check it once.
orange button, and then you put it twice.
Inside the set text, check the ID, it is green one. Change it to label 3.
Yep. So as you said, it shouldn't be screen 1. It should be label 13. Wait, label 3. Sorry. So label 3, and then you put the get number first. You go back to UI controls. But if you press the get text ID, it will be much better. So let's change it to text input 2. And then we put 365 because there's 365 days in a year, and then you have to times another 24 because that's the hours in a day, and we want to find out the hours.
Put it back in blocks, 4 blocks.
So
So
that's pretty much it. As I said, something very, very, very simple. It's not much, I suppose, but it still is a code. Bye.